It's 15th of Feb, and it is the weekly review video. I'm going to review the previous week. A little overview. I already post the some of the trades, not all of them, but most of them. I already post the live trade. So Alhamdulillah, this week was good, but I did some mistakes, and it's okay to make mistake. But the thing is to learn from your past mistakes and to be better, to try to be better every time. So right now, let's first check the main account, the account we started with, the funded lead account. This week, last week we took only one trade, and we were up $100. And this week I was risking $50. You all know that. So first trade on that Monday, I took two trades. I think first was break even, and I already talked about I think these trades. And the next day I took a loss, and the next day I went to go, first took a loss, then a win, which resulted in a positive day 0.RR. So and the last Friday we first took a loss and then took a win and resulted in positive 65. So we are way better than before. As you all know where we were before, we were only $25 away to blow the account, but we came back stronger, and alhamdulillah, we are only I think $200 away to be out on $200 and some dollar to hit the break even. Let me check. Okay, $240. So yeah, and the thing is not the dollars amount. The thing is how we manage our trade, how we manage the stress, how I managed that pressure. Were we better than last week? If we were not, what was the mistake? And if we even were we following the rules? What things were different than before? So I did some mistakes. So I'm not going to talk about all about it. It's not a video about that. I will talk about a bit plan. I haven't think about what I'm going to talk about on this video. It will be a not a scripted video. It will be what came to my mind, what will come to my mind. And yeah, but we are one thing I haven't told yet, which is on Friday on funded lead we resulted in positive, but on the other account we resulted in negative. Let's talk about it. So on Friday, this was the day I should not had I should not should not had traded on this day, but I did, and it was a bit logical trade. But after taking a loss, I should have been a bit alert. And these two were logical trades. Okay, so you take this trade. This was the first as I already talked about it. When there is a high resistance liquidity run, I will look for look for a higher time frame gap. So on Friday we took the liquidity. There was no lows on lower time frame which can be taken. So I was more bullish than bearish. And after looking at this, okay, sorry, let me. This is the main chart where all drawings are. So this was the first trade. This was the first presented fair value gap. 5 minute. This was the 1 minute when we took the lows and we respected. This was the premium. It was the premium or what? Let me check it. Maybe it will be a longer video, but yeah, what I have to cover it. So this was the Friday. This was the week. I made also the recording of it. I will see if it's. I don't remember. I recorded it all or what, but if I did, I will post it first. Then I will post this trade review. So as you can see, we were in discount, and transaction wasn't smooth, wasn't clear. As you can see, all the consolidation, but I take it on along, which was only thing that can be seen to me, which can happen. So I entered on higher time frame with these upper quarter and lower quarter of the weekly week, which made me interested. So let's just get into the 5-minute chart. So after breaking this, after taking this low, respected this upper quarter, and also respected the lower quarter, upside and upper quarter. So this was a good trade, and it was just the market the market was shitting, and it didn't want to that at that time. As you can see, it did after that, and I took a loss here. And as you can see on the funded, there were two trades. First I took a loss. This was the loss which I took on both accounts. Then we went lower. I like how it respected the lower quarter and break the market structure. This made me interested way more, and I took a take our trade here. We took the low the recent low as well. Not these, but this one. Still, it was a good sign. And by respecting the low quarter and then breaking market structure, I entered here. I was targeting this high, and I went out on the funded lead here. But on the Think Capital, I set the stop loss to the break even because it was easily can be seen, and I saw it. I will say 100 times, but several times how price this paying out very well, but it did not. It is what it is, and it was just a bad day. And as you can see, it didn't hit the stop loss. We went here and then started going over, but I did the mistake. The thing was, this was not a valid trade. I should not have traded this, and I don't know. And I took a short by just looking at the just showing the respecting of let me show you. I don't know why you got it or didn't. So we respected the upper quarter to upside to downside, and this was the first presented failure. I entered on this breaking market structure, targeting the lows on lower time frame. As I already knew that we are more likely to go up, but I changed the bias. And without, it's not like you can't change. I should have changed my bias, or can't. I must not change my bias in any situation. I can change my bias, but there should be reasons, especially on higher time frames. So I should have waited for one liquidity to be taken. Even if I were looking for shorts and there was no sign. I don't know. I just as you can see on 5 minute time frame. I don't know this. It was a confusing day. Honestly, to be honest, it was a confusing day, and I already knew it, and that it was confusing me. So I should not have traded, and yes, I did trade, and I will be better inshallah next time as I'm coming, and inshallah everything. This is a mistake I have to learn from. So thing is, so yeah, one more thing that we took these two, and yeah, it was just a confusing day, and this in my mind the breaking market structure and the respecting of the low. But as you can see, this was the value trade, and I placed the stop loss to the break-in because it was Friday and it was late New York session. As you know, as I know, I plan that I should not be trading late New York session on Friday. So uh, yeah, the information I had, and for now, it's a rule that I shouldn't be trading a late New York session. It's not like for a lifetime. It can be changed in future by seeing the data, by seeing the price action, by seeing the days, by seeing the moves, and all more information on it. But right now, it was this rule. So with respect to the see, and it was as I'm saying this, it was normal, it was logical, it was permissible that we can raise it to C, but not below it, and it respected beautifully, and then start going up, respected the first recent figure and hit the TP as well, took the high, and this was my target. I don't know if I did record this part, but I remember I talked about it. It was in my mind. I was talking about that that price can go here. It should be going there. So yeah, I have to move on. So I have to learn from this. I can't change my bias. I have to, if there's only a liquidity taken, or if there's a higher time frame reason, not by just looking at 1 minute time frame and just yeah. So this was not a good trade. This was not a good trade. And so yeah, and I think the trade I already talked about. This was the break-even trade, yes, on Thursday. And on the Think Capital account, we are still up $136, but I think we are down than we were. I don't know. I don't remember where we were last week. Let me see. This is the 11th. This week started on the 9th. So let's get back. This was a 9, and I started here. I know. Let me see. I don't know. Just I think. Forget about it. So Alhamdulillah, still we are up on $136 on the Think Capital 3-step, and on the funded lead we are way better than before, and we are up this week. Let me calculate the $44 minus oh bhai sahab kya main kar raha hu? I don't know, but we are easily can be seen that we are way better than before. Minus it will be 11 plus 92, 97 plus 65, 162. I don't know, but yeah, Alhamdulillah, I have to. So the next week, let me see the news. What will be the news? I haven't looked at the news yet. So Monday, it's no news. Tuesday, CPI, not the USD, and then it's a PM session news, FMC minute, and then it's unemployment change, and on Friday it's a German flash PMI day. Okay, a decent day. We'll see. Inshallah, this week will be better than before the previous week. Inshallah, Ta'ala, will learn from a mistake I have learned this week. It's a big thing that I learned some things this week. There are many times that we make losses, we don't know what's wrong and what can be better, what can be so. But अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह का एहसान है, अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि मुझे ये वो वीक है जिसमें मुझे अपनी गलतियाँ, कुछ भी ट्रेड मैंने गलत किया तो वो कुछ those were my own kind of mistake. They weren't my model's mistake. It wasn't like it was my own mistake. So it wasn't like the model didn't pay out. There are many trades this week. I think there are 2 to 3 trades at least where I hit a stop loss, or the stop loss because I didn't place the stop loss at the right place. So yeah, inshallah, next week I'll be better than before. And yeah, I think that's it for today. And yeah, now we'll talk about the other weekly goals beside the trading. So yeah, post right now it's in front of me, but I will talk about it on the screen by seeing on the screen and pointing on it and all. So yeah, and we'll show the next week goals. Yeah, okay. So this was the week. Was not the best, but not the worst, and it was better, and it's a big thing, and I should be grateful for that. And yeah, I did. Yeah, so okay. You see on the front lead. Okay, the 33 trades, 18 wins. Wow, total commission. It's on the Forex one, and Well, 69 win rate. Not a win rate doesn't matter to me. 16, we are on. Okay, nice. I think that's it. It's already been a long video. Let me check. It's 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. So yeah, I'll now talk about the weekly review. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is the previous week goals and the workout is check. I completed all 5 days and did workout all 5 days. Monday to missed one day Tuesday and then I did 5 days. Completed the 5 days. So yeah, completed the next day too on this Saturday. Backtest is check. Weekly backtest reviews check. Yes sir. Upload 3 videos. I did with this weekly review video. It will be 4 or even if I uh, upload the Friday live trade day, which I haven't read yet, it will be 5. So yeah, nice. Then tap on the back and journal. I did 2 days, better than not doing it. And meditation 3 days on this 7 day week. In these 7 days I did 3 days, so better than not doing it. Better not yeah, still struggling with these two. Not struggling, but still trying to make a habit. And Arabic check all uh, 6 days. Even I think 6 days. Japanese is also check. I forgot to take that. The books section, Power of Subconscious Mind, check, and the 48 laws of power is also check. So yeah, better than previous week, but carry better than yeah. These two are still to work on, and let's now. So this is the this week goals. So, some of them are the same as before. Was they are kind of habit kind of tasks. So workout 5 days, backtest 5 days, backtest review at least one after backtesting, at least reviewing these days. And one thing I forget to mention here, on this review I will be reviewing backtest as well the live trade. So one thing more I will add to it is to journal the live trade too. I journal the in the backtest very well, very nicely. I'm kind of journaling the live trade on the recording as well, but still I should be journaling on the Notion like the backtest. So I get the it's not like just journaling, but I get the I will get the data about it. And yeah, I'm still struggling with the live trade journal, but yeah, so I will work on it. So I will do that too. And yeah, so upload 3 videos as before. At least backtest, live trade, weekly review, journal 4 days, meditation 4 days, Arabic 5 days, not it's 6, and Japanese it's 5 days. So on Japanese I learned hiragana and katakana. Alhamdulillah, completed this week. This week, yeah, this week. So on this week I will uh, learn about its vocabulary or grammar. I'm still I haven't confirmed that what I will learn or learn to do on Japanese after the alphabets. So yeah, but yeah, I will try to do it. I will find out today. It will be at or grammar, or it will be a vocabulary. So hadith, there's a book here, and it's a hadith book. It's some lessons from Muhammad wa Ali Muhammad. Uh, so like some lessons, some quotes, some interesting things, some answers of some questions about this world, Islam, the creation of this world, the existence of God, and all that. So yeah, I'm on. I don't know. It's more than 50%. It's been completed, but still I didn't read a hadith or a page this week, which I were doing uh, doing before. But yeah, now we'll do at least 20 of these. So yeah, and it's a reach point, a 10k point is the Discord thing. So which where I am right now on 6k. So I have to reach 10k this week. It is easy. Inshallah, I'll do it. And on the book section, same 10 pages of each book, reading 2 books. And then this is one more task which I am being lazy about. It's written fixed chairs. So yeah, it's 2 chairs in the what that क्या वो लफ्ज़ क्या है यार. I don't know, in that room where all the old stuff or some stuff which is stored there, or some yeah old stuff, or yeah. So there are 2 chairs, so which are can be used. So there's some only one thing which to be fixed about them. So I'm being lazy about it for like 3 to 4 weeks, but inshallah this week I got it and the weekly goals. So this is fixed shares. So yeah, this is the weekly goals, and inshallah the result will be on the end of this week, the 22nd of or 21st of Feb. Okay, Allah Hafiz.